she can't fit under the bed. How sad. I'm pretty sure that's her making that weird noise. What is wrong with you?